through the rain, through the rain, through my pain, through my pain, through my shame. Be the lost soul, Christ, let me out from the darkness. Through the rain, through my pain, why my shame? Gave me a new name, used to be a dark name, used to be a dark cloud. Now I gotta make a way out, gotta make a way out, God. Cause I'm stuck in my pain, I'm stuck in my brain, crying out, I'm in this pain, and I don't see no way. I'm just trying to have faith, yeah, I'm trying to pray, yeah. Look in the mirror, then I turn away, yeah. Every single day, sometimes it gets too hard, sometimes it gets so dark. I look up to the sky, I see no stars. I can't even feel my heart, cause it's so scarred. God help me out, my pain too much, my past too much, and my shame too much, these mistakes too much, yeah, my thoughts too much, I'm insecure too much, and I'm not enough. Asking where's the love? Used to find that in the world, now I found Christ. Where my head at? It's been too long. There's a devil in my ear, tell him to shut up. I know Jesus here, I'm trying to hang on. Feeling fed up from trauma, but life go on. I know we move on, but the hurt is still there. It's not gone, yeah, still got cuts, and it's still so tough. And I'm so caught up, I don't even know why, but I'm crying out. All I see is clouds, need to get out this place. It's too much today, and you can't judge my flaws. You do the same things. I'm stuck in this pain. On my neck.